In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check in Etihad Airways online in 2026, step by step. If you want to save time at the airport and get prepared before your flight, online check-in is one of the easiest things you can do. Etihad makes the process pretty straightforward, and in this guide, I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to enter so you can complete it with confidence. To begin, open your web browser and go to the official Etihad Airways website. Make sure you are on the correct Etihad page before continuing, since using the official site helps you avoid confusion and ensures you're entering your travel details in the right place. Once you're on the home page, look for the check-in option. This is usually displayed in the main navigation area, so it should be fairly easy to spot. Click on check-in to move to the next part of the process. After that, you'll be taken to the check-in section. Here, click on check-in online. This is the option that lets you access your booking and start the online check-in process from your computer or mobile device. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a few seconds. Next, you'll need to enter your trip reference number or your ticket number. Use whichever one you have available from your booking confirmation. It's important to type the number carefully, exactly as it appears, because even a small mistake can stop the system from finding your reservation. Then, enter your last name in the appropriate field. Make sure it matches the surname listed on your booking and travel documents. If your booking includes multiple names, always follow the format shown in your reservation details to avoid any errors. Once both fields are filled in correctly, click on the check-in button. This will allow the Etihad system to search for your booking and continue the online check-in process. At this point, you should be able to access your flight reservation and proceed from there based on the options available for your trip. As a helpful tip, it's always a good idea to double check your information before submitting, especially your reference number, ticket number, and last name. That can help you avoid delays and make the process smoother. And that's how to check in online with Etihad Airways in 2026. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to reach your booking quickly and get one step closer to your flight.